Hi, am I audible?
Yes,
Okay. Um, can one of you share your screen? We'll see to set up the Salesforce environment today.
Ram, I have not logged in through laptop. I use just um mobile for today. One second, if I can log in using laptop.
Okay. How about the other one? Satya?
Sorry, what was your question?
Yeah, can you share your screen?
Okay. Yeah, you want something to open because I have not opened anything.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll create a ID in Salesforce today
Oh, yeah, sure.
with the high level basics, and from tomorrow we'll start the course. Yeah.
Okay.
You need an environment to practice, right? We'll set up the practice environment today.
Sure. Let me share my screen. Yep. Turn around.
I think it's visible. Can you go to developer.salesforce.com? And click on Browse Trails on the right side, blue color
Right.
button. Get a developer edition, browse all trails in the left side bottom. Now scroll
Yeah.
down, sign up for developer edition. So you can directly go to salesforce.com and do a sign up. You will there also you'll get the environment, but the difference between that and this is developer edition will give you a lifetime version. Okay, if you
Okay.
are signing up at salesforce.com, it will be there for 30 days. That's the difference.
Okay.
Yeah. Please give the details.
So will it come with a trailhead as well, or is just the in usually in trailhead you will have even the for practicing you will have uh, the the platform, right?
It's the same.
Okay, it's the
But
same. Okay.
this, yeah, but this will be much better than trailer actually. I mean, yes, of course, you will get the org in trailer, but the problem in trailer is when you're registering or creating an account through trailer, right? It
Mm-hmm.
will create an environment which is required for that particular badge.
Okay, batch. Okay, got it.
Okay. This will not have any content, rather, it will have all features that are required for your complete admin and development learning. So, username, it must look like an email. Okay. So, you can just give your email ID or at the rate salesforce.com or something like that.
Let me use the same email, right?
Yeah, you can give your email also.
Okay. Let me go back to my email and
Uh, It'll take some time. So you will have it either in updates or spam also. Please check both the places. Or you can stop sharing your screen and check it. Yeah, basically what will happen is similar to the way that you will have in your any other website signups, right? So you will be asked to verify your email. When you click on that verify now button, you will see you will have a blue color button. When you click on that, it will ask you to create a password for yourself. That's it.
Can you hear me, Ram?
Yes, yes.
Okay, all right. I just logged in through my laptop. Okay.
how long it takes generally, I still don't see.
Ideally, it will take around 2 3 minutes, but yeah, sometimes it will take a lot of time. Okay, I just got an update from the consultancy. I think a lot of people who have already registered. I mean, I think somewhere around 8 or 9 people have registered for this session, and just because of this Thanksgiving Day and all, people are saying that they're asking to postpone the session to next week or so. So maybe we'll register the accounts today, and the actual session will start from next Tuesday.
Okay.
So we will complete this sign up process today.
I thought I can use this 1 week of time off to for this Salesforce training.
Yeah, the
Uh,
same thing.
I am okay to at any time, but yeah, consultant. I mean, there are a lot of other people also like waiting for
Yeah,
it.
got it. Yeah, I understand. So,
But don't worry.
I
At
already
least
have an account. Just to let you know. I mean, I created personal account on from my already
uh,
long.
then you
So,
can share the screen. We'll just show it to Satya. Satya, once you get the email, right? I'll show you how does it actually looks like.
Yeah, yeah, I got it. I just now I got it. Let me share
oh,
that.
yeah, that takes
Okay.
time. The email thing. Usually, I also face the same thing. From Salesforce, it should take less time, but while we are doing, it takes more time. Yeah, I can share my screen. I'm open.
I
We have
just
done
came
that.
to
He just completed it.
oops.
Okay, fine. All right then.
It is okay. You want me to open the email and show you, or from there you
Okay,
need to click
you
my
can just click on that button and
okay.
what is it? Set your password and show that.
verify account. Sorry. Is it the password? The password. Yeah, done changing my password. So let me log in and then show you, share my screen. So when I log in here, which one should I log in?
Yeah. Now you share the screen before you log in. Yeah. Now you don't need this. Directly go to login.salesforce.com and you can give your credentials here. So only for sign up you have to go there. Of course, from there also you can log in, but it will navigate you through multiple steps. But rather, this is a direct step.
Is it mandatory?
No, you better don't do it.
Yeah.
So because it will ask you to get the OTPs every time. So no point. You block it. Block this. Yeah, perfect. So this is your basic Salesforce screen. Okay. And when a person like you, which means an admin, as you have created this, right? As you have signed it up, so you are the admin for this. And this is called a org in Salesforce. We call it as an org. Like
Okay.
unlike your Facebook and LinkedIn. So this is your own environment where you can build your application. The only difference between Salesforce and any other social networking websites, right? There you can communicate with others. Here you can build your tool also. Okay. Now let's start looking into the high level points here. So on the left top corner, can you see a small blue color logo, a cloud logo?
Yeah.
Yeah. So instead of that logo, we can have our organization's logo also. For example, if I'm working for Amazon, I can place Amazon logo there. It's for an application, not for everything. So when I log into any application, I can show Amazon logo there. Okay. Or let's go to some application. So when I say application, so ideally the reason for using Salesforce is to automate your business process or to mature your data. Correct. I mean, you'll have some raw data. Step by step, you will mature it to a well-defined data, right? So for that, we need applications. So yeah, in that nine dots, which is similar to donut, click on that nine dots. So that is called as app launcher, where you will see all the list of applications. When I say all the list, which means, as I told you in the previous session, so you will have some standard set of applications. So these are all the standard applications that are given by Salesforce, right? Based on the standard business processes. Apart from that, we can also create. So all the applications which are given by Salesforce and the apps that you have defined will come over here. Click on sales, eighth one. Yep. Yeah. This is how you will jump into an application. Okay. Now on, so in this you can change that left side logo, which is the cloud symbol, to any of your company, whether it is eBay, Walmart, Amazon, Adobe, whatever it is. Yeah. When I log into an application, I can switch that. Now, in Excel, what are the terminologies you'll have?
Row, column,
First, you'll have a file, right? In the file, you'll have multiple sheets.
sheets.
In sheets,
Mm,
you'll have tables. In the
yeah,
tables, you'll have columns and rows.
row.
So if you map that here, right? Uh, when you say a file in Salesforce, it is an application. Click on the app launcher again. Click on view all, view all. So you can say these are different files.
Yeah,
Okay. So in Salesforce, the technical name for an Excel file in Salesforce is application. Now click on sales, which means we are going with sales Excel file, sales. And why sales? It's easy to understand as we are logging in for the first time. Now in the Excel file, what you'll have multiple sheets at the bottom, right?
sheets. Yeah,
Sheet one, sheet two, and sheets are located at the bottom of the file. But
yeah,
here we will have tabs at the top of the file. So next to sales, you'll have right home, opportunities, leads, tasks.
yeah.
All these are called as tabs. You can click on any of this. These are called as tabs of the application. Now, what is the use of a sheet? Why do we need a sheet in Excel?
Each sheet defines, we can have like a individual uh, area,
It'll
some related details,
yes. So it will basically help you to see the
segregate the functionalities.
segregate data of a table, right? So here also it's the same. Each tab helps you to access the data of that table or an object. We call it as an object. Now click on accounts to make it much more simpler. Go to accounts tab. Now here in the on the left side you can see recently viewed link, right?
Yeah,
Next to that you have a drop down. Click on that and say all accounts. Now these are different companies that are connected. So this is basically a dummy data. When we register with Salesforce, it will give you some 20 account. I mean, almost all the standard objects, it will give you some 10-15 records. So we can utilize them for reports. We'll look at these when we are working on reports later. Right? Now,
yeah.
what is a row here? Burlington is one row, which is nothing but a record. And what is a
And
column?
it's
Account
the
name, account
details
size,
of its
phone
of the row.
number, type. These are all called as columns. So what is the technical name of a column in Salesforce? Field. So when I
Field. Yeah,
click on new button on the right top corner below the dashboards, right side top corner, new button below dashboards.
oh yeah. Shall I click
So
it?
this is, yeah, click on it. So this is the place where we can create the record in Salesforce. All these are fields. In Excel to add a row, so we will go to that particular table and add the row, right? Here also we'll go to that particular tab and click on new button and add the record. And these are the fields. Okay. Now cancel this. So I'm not gonna do any transaction today. I'll just give you a very high level overview. Now, uh, okay. Let us say I know that there is some record with name oil. I don't know which record it is. So what should I do? Above account there is a search bar, correct? Yeah. There type no above accounts on the top.
Yeah, main. Okay.
Just type oil and click on enter. Don't select anything. Just type oil and click on enter button. Now, it is similar to your Google search.
Excels.
When I
Yeah.
search for oil in the Google, what will happen? It will show you the entire data. Right? The search engine will show you the entire data related to oil that you can access. It's not going to show you everything, but the data that you can access is what been shown to you, right? So here also the same. This search bar is called as global search. So this will help you to search the entire data based on the keyword that you have typed in, which you can access across this org, right? Because as of now, it shows you around 10-15 tabs or tables, right? But I might have around 500 objects in my system. So in 500 objects, if I have one record, right, it will show you everything. If you see on the left side, the search result says in accounts you have 3 records,
Three.
opportunities you have 5+, but tasks there is no record, files there is no record, campaigns there is no record. So it will show you almost all the objects, right? Now
Yeah.
click on any of the accounts name, for example, United Oil and Gas Corporation. Anything is fine. Yeah, this is how your UI looks for a record. Of course, this can be changed. So you will have related, which is the child records which are related to this object. In this particular record, if you click on details of the record, details sub tab, right, you will see the details of this particular record, like what is the name, website, phone number, account size, all this. See at the bottom you have related and details tabs, right? No, no, yeah. So you will see further more details. Like you can play with this later. Okay. Now, okay, I searched for this because I don't know earlier, so I started working on it. But I don't want to. I mean, let's say there could be a chance that there will be multiple accounts with similar name. So every time I have to search, every time I have to open, this is little unnecessary job for me, right? So rather, what I can do is next to that search bar on the top, if you go towards the right side, you have a star mark.
Yeah.
Click on that. You can make it as your favorite so that next time you, I mean, click on that star mark so that this record will becomes your favorite. So whenever you log in, you click on the drop down next to the star mark now. So that record will be there. You can open it directly.
Like shortcut. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, you might say, okay, Ram, why is it so important? It may not be important for us, but it will be important for the people who work on sales process and all. We are admins, so we don't need this. But the people who are completely business users, for them, even a second of 1 second of time is very important every day, right? Sometimes the shortcuts basically help you to save 3 seconds, 4 seconds. And for example, if you consider a call center, right? So I have to deal with around 100 customers a day, and if you are saving 3 seconds in every for every customer, right? Consider you are when you are saving 300 seconds for me, and if I have 50 people in the call center, 300 into 50, which is 1500 seconds. So that's how the business actually counts. So each and every navigation, not just in Salesforce, of course, any IT is very important. Any software is very important. Yeah. And again, going through all this, for example, now if I want to create a record, what should I do? I have to click on accounts tab and then go to click on new button
Yep.
and then start all giving all the details, right? Let's do that. Click on accounts or contact, any tab for that for now, and click on new button. Again, let's not create anything. Uh, to create an account, you have to give all these details, right? But are these mandatory? Or to make it
Whatever is
more,
star.
cancel. No, no. I'll make it more simple. Cancel this. Click on contact. I mean, contact is easy. New button.
This is the new. Yeah.
So why the views are little different? So you can adjust that later. Okay. So here it is showing you everything. Of course, yes, as you mentioned, mandatory fields are enough. But if I simply say last name as Satya and save, the record will be created, but it is of no use. At least I need to give basic information. Now, let us say I'm traveling. I met uh, um, some person, let's say Satya only in in the flight, and he wants to deal with my organization. So he's becoming my contact. So will I really have time to go through all this? Definitely not. Maybe you might be in a rush to go out, right? So at that time, what I can do? Close this. So next to that favorites, you have plus symbol. No, no, on the top. You made favorite, right? A record.
Yeah.
Uh, so these are called global actions. Okay, click on that. So this is a shortcut where you can create the contact. Click on new contact, for example. Now, just this information is enough, right? Very basic information, my name and the contact details. Enough.
Yeah.
That's how it works. And we have seen for contact, similarly, it is there for multiple other objects. Of course, we can also create our own global actions also. We can send mails, we can communicate directly from here also. Yeah. I think this should be enough for today because I have to repeat all this again when we start the session again. Do you have any other questions apart from the session?
So, do we still use this? This is classic or whatever? What do you call this one?
Okay, this is lightning. So on the
Right.
right top corner, you have a profile symbol, right? Click on that. At the bottom, you have switched to classic. Yeah. So
Oh,
classic was there till 2014. No, no. Yeah, 2014. 2014 is where Salesforce launched Lightning. Okay. Here, how do we define the applications? On the right top corner, you have content. So that's an application. So if you click on that, you will see multiple applications. Okay. Terminologies are same. The UI looks a little old here.
yeah.
And from 2014, Salesforce started asking everyone to use Lightning. Of course, there are customers now who are still using Classic. For example, your name, I think you are Indian, right? So you know Paytm, correct?
Yeah.
Paytm, backend of Paytm. I've seen a couple of my friends, they have some businesses. So I've seen when they have logged into their Paytm customer details and all. So they are still using Classic. Okay. But
So, is there any feature that is there
uh,
in Classic and not in Lightning, or
nothing. Of course,
not?
the features of Classic are getting decommissioned slowly.
Okay.
Classic is not required. I mean, it's just a UI. I mean,
Mm.
between Lightning and Classic. And for example, features like flows and all, you can't even enable them in Lightning. Sorry, in Classic. Lot
Not
of lot of old features of
back
Classic were already decommissioned.
it on
So
flows. Okay.
now no one is using this thing. I mean, Classic actually. Switch to Lightning now, Satya.
It's too close. Okay. Whatever I have, wherever I was in the classic version, the same is showing in the lightning version.
Yeah.
Okay. We can customize these tabs also, right?
Yeah, if you click
Yeah.
see there, you can see more items, right? From there, you can start changing everything.
We cannot
Add
remove.
more items.
We can only add, but we cannot delete the existing ones.
We can
Okay.
customize this. But we'll discuss. Like if you go to the backend of the system,
Okay.
Setup, I think.
So this one, whatever we have logged in, is it which cloud is it? Is that sales? This is sales cloud, right?
uh, okay. When you speak about cloud, it's about the license that we are buying from Salesforce.
Okay.
As of now, you will be having Salesforce license, which will have everything.
Okay.
So, quick question, Ram. I see the URL career IT-dev. So I have my own. So is that the way Salesforce works? Is they're going to provide a separate hosting URL for each user, or
Uh,
can we? Okay,
yes. So basically, for each org, as Satya
each
have given his company name
I
as Career.
registered my organization as Career IT. I think that is the reason it is
That's
showing me as Career IT.
okay. Like let's suppose 100 different users are there in one, and I mean there's one organization where they want to
depends on the
launch.
person who sign up. See,
Yeah, it can
basically,
still be there, I think, because login is
this-
what matters, right? URL
no,
is might be the same, but you are having a different login ID.
basically, let's say I bought a flat. Okay, the documents will
Yeah.
be registered with me. I
Okay.
can allow all of my friends to come in, right? It doesn't mean
Mhm.
that every time the door will change, right? The URL is there. Okay, the people who are entering will be different.
Okay.
Now, Satya started giving access to others, right? It doesn't matter which company they belongs to. So it
Mm-hmm.
what matters is the company information.
Okay. So in real time, like when you do some project hosting everything, there will be one URL that has been given to 100 different users, right? So
As in
in the
Salesforce, you don't have to think about where to develop, where to host and all.
okay,
Those deployments and all will be taken care by Salesforce. Only thing is you will have multiple environments like
right,
the
right,
way
right.
right? A dev, QA, pre-prod, and production. So likewise, Salesforce gives you multiple environments. You just have to deploy your components. You don't have to think about whether this URL comes there. This is basically a
Mm,
production environment that you got.
got it. Okay. Because the only reason is I got my own, he got his own. So is it
Ah,
something like 100 different users are going to get some
this,
different logins?
no, no, because
Yeah.
the org is different.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Got it.
In this org, I can define 100 applications, share it with 500 people, but
Mm,
everyone will have the same URL.
got it. Okay.
Any other questions?
Mm. Mm. So in the admin part, we don't need any coding skills, right?
Nothing. I
Okay.
mean, it's all
So
about the logical thinking here in admin.
yeah.
And of course, you will learn technical knowledge that is sufficient to be there in the sessions itself.
Okay.
I think we are good, right? I mean, maybe
Yeah,
this
good.
session will be again repeated on next Thursday,
Yeah,
Tuesday.
that's one reason I don't want to extend, but yeah,
Yes.
as I joined, I thought, okay, let me do it for
Mm.
20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay then.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's stop
Well,
sharing.
see you next next week mostly. But I have asked the consultancies to check with others to start the sessions as early as possible because even I have adjusted my timing for other people.
Yeah, we don't want
Okay.
to
Yeah,
change the
I'm
timing because this is much convenient.
I don't know. I have changed the timing for other people already, so I have to set free for now for this entire week also. So I have asked them to see if it is possible to adjust the timings.
so Ram, nobody is interested to join early, or I just wanted to know what exactly like, everyone is
No,
comfortable with this timing.
no, timing is okay. I mean, this week, a couple of them said like they are okay. I mean, they'll be busy due
They
to
have
this
long
holidays.
weekend plans, I think.
I understood. Yeah, Thanksgiving break. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but
Yeah.
this time is good. If it is little early also, I'm not a big deal.
I
Mm.
think timing it will be the same.
Okay.
They won't be changed timings.
Okay. Yeah, I'm also open to early, like 6:30 Central is also fine, but I'll check with Shweta. I mean, to see if they can move, or else I don't have any problem. 7:30 to 8:30 is kind of like a prime time for kids, so but I don't have any problem with it.
Okay.
All right then.
Yeah.
Have a good. So Satya, you are in US or in India?
Yes.
US. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you,
Thank
Ram.
you. Thank you.
Have a great day.